अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मैं कश्मीर अकेले जा रहा हूं तो आप बिल्कुल ही गलत सोच रहे हो। मेरे साथ में जा रहा है मेरा दहेज का सामान जो मैंने यहाँ पर बटोर के रखा हुआ है। क्या आप देख सकते हैं इस सब चीज को? On my way to Kashmir, I'm going to take this suitcase in which I'm going to keep all this stuffs and items in between this, and also I'll keep all my kapda and chakda in the inside this bag. And on the next, you can see over there's a shoulder bag which I'm going to carry with myself, in which I'm going to keep all my necessities like my juta and all that stuff in that bag for sure. And with this I'm going to carry my gym bag too, because I'm not going to do gym in Kashmir, but surely I'm going to put all my vlog items which I kept on the left side. And then I'm going to carry this tight heavy leather jacket which my father's friend has brought it for me, so I'm very much thankful to that friend because it is going to save me so badly from the Kashmir cold. And with that, I'm also going to carry a side bag in which I've kept a lot of chocolate, so that whenever I'll be free, I'll be feeling like, oh yeah, when your mouth is like full in need of sweet, so you can definitely eat it. At this side, when I'll be moving, like I can show you that there is a big amount of stuff of things. Super excited कि मैं कौन सी चीज कभी क्या use करने वाला हूँ. With that, I'm going to tell you that I'm traveling with my इम्पॉर्टेंट माइक्रोफोन. अपनी आवाज़ जो है इसमें बहुत क्लियरली आती है, इसके लिए माइक्रोफोन लेके जाना बहुत कंपलसरी है. With that, I'm also traveling with my camera. This camera is going to feed my Instagram for next 10 days. And with that, I'm also going to carry my speakers. My speakers going to help me to watch Scam 1992, The Queen's Gambit, and with that also Mismatch series on Netflix. I've downloaded all of it from uTorrent, and if you don't know that, you can download it from 1377x sites, and directly you can get it from uTorrent, and then you can watch it anytime when you travel. So with that, I'm also carrying up my head jacks. Like if world is going to be ending, I'm going to definitely die with my head jacks because it is very much helpful for me to listen music and all that stuff. Now after that, I'm going to travel with my 3 pairs of goggles which I've definitely took for clicking up good selfies in the Kashmir valleys and all that stuff. So let's see, hoping for the best picture shots. With that, I'm going to take my new perfume bottle which I got a gift from one of my students. She gifted it to me and I'm so lucky that it smells so good. Now apart from that, I'm going to travel with my charger accessories. This is camera charger, this is my Redmi Note 7 Pro Max charger. And with that, I'm also going to carry my Redmi Note 9 Pro Max charger because it is super sexy mobile from which I'm shooting my vlog right now. And with that, I'm also carrying my laptop, which is such a super heavy material which I'm going to carry till Kashmir and bring it back from there. But it's going to be helping out me to definitely edit all my vlogs. And with that, on the next area, you can find out there is a charger being kept of laptop, and I'm going to carry it too. So with that, I'm also carrying a big amount of kachori. So I'm going to be in the group of 15 people. So if anyone would be feeling hungry apart from me, because I cannot be eating this, otherwise I'll suffer from constipation. So I'm going to definitely not eat this, but going to be distributing it to the entire 14 jan ka group. And with that, I'm also carrying a good amount of, what is this called, mom? Bhakarwadi. Bhakarwadi, I'm going to give it to everyone, but I'm not going to eat it. You want it, Lucy? You want it? Very good. So I'm going to carry 2 books with me, How to Win Friends and Influence People, and with this I'm going to carry my super sexy diary in which I'm going to note everything what I'm going to do for the next 10 days in Kashmir. So I'm super excited to fill the good pages in the diary and memorable pages. And with that, this page, like I'm going to win Kashmiri people, and like I'm going to bring home one Kashmiri Kali after winning her. So let's finger cross. I'm carrying a super sexy leather pouch with me, so it has a lot of pen and markers and highlighters, so it can definitely help me to highlight some important parts out of the book which I'm going to read during the vlog. I'm carrying a Christmas hat with me. Christmas hat, like I can say it like Santa Claus ka topi, but Christmas hat is also wrong term. And I'm going to do something like post like this on the Kashmir. I'm also carrying a denim jacket with me, so like whenever I'll be feeling ki bahut thandi machne wali hai, so I'm going to wear this for sure. And I'm so thankful that my mom have given me it as my birthday gift, so I'm like, thank you, mom. And after that, I'm going to wear this headband on my head on the matching t-shirt which I've got. I'm going to wear it something like this, and this is going to be looking super classy and sexy on me. I do really feel so like that. And if you don't feel like that, so you must definitely check out my Instagram vlog or the video that I'm gonna put on it. और ये वाली कैप है ना, मुझे बिल्कुल भी लेने के नहीं था, पर मुझे ना वो दुकान वाले ने बोला था कि ये सलमान खान की वांटेड वाली कैप है, तो आप इसको डेफिनेटली लेके जाके ऐसा करके जरा पहनना है ऐसा स्टाइल वाइल में, इसके लिए मैंने इसको डेफिनेटली ले लिया है. एंड लेट्स सी दैट व्हाट हैपेंस ओवर देयर. एंड इफ आई एम फीलिंग लाइक सलमान खान, सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली टेक माय ऑटोग्राफ व्हेनेवर यू मीट मी फॉर द नेक्स्ट टाइम. And apart from that, I'm going to carry up with myself a lot of my chaddis inside this. Like I have a 5 pair of chaddi in this. So definitely 10 days के लिए जा रहा हूँ, तो मतलब चड्डियों की कमी नहीं होना चाहिए इसके लिए. The entire amount of chaddis inside this. So I'm like, I've took 1 pair of socks which directly I had kept on my in my shoes, and with that I'm also carrying an extra pair of socks. Like it is till full over here, so it's gonna be covering up the entire feet of mine and above it. And I'm going to carry an extra box with me, which I'm keeping a pen drive which has the 3 Netflix series, and also with that I'm keeping an extra memory card for my camera. This is the toiletry which I'm going to carry with me. Done with this life boy. तो लाइफ बॉय लेके जाने का एक ही रीजन है कि नहाना नहीं है, फिर भी ऐसा लोगों को दिखाने के लिए लेके जाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हम लोग ऐसा लगना चाहिए ना नहाए हुए है. दिस इज दी Z talcum powder to keep my face healthy. A Colgate Max Fresh to keep my mouth fresh, a BB Plus cream to keep my skin glowing, and last but not the least, to keep my lips healthy, I'm going to carry my Himalaya lip balm. For the very final part and concluding part, I have got my extra mobile phone of Redmi Note 7 Pro Max. So this is going to help me out throughout to edit my vlogs. From the hack version of KineMaster, I'm carrying a good pair of sneakers which my students gifted me on my birthday. I'm so thankful to them. Because of them, I'm going to carry this whole good sneaker with me. Thank you, my students. And apart from that, I'm going to carry my entire amount of good shoes which I got on my birthday for approximately 700 rupees. But this 700 rupees is going to be worth it because I'm going to wear it all throughout my journey. Apart from that, I'm gonna carry this. This is something which I'm gonna wear on like important day of Kashmir when I'm going to go into the boat like Shikara. So this is one of the t-shirts which my father gifted, and he went to Lifestyle and he bought this particular gift for me. So I'm so excited to wear his gift on my special days of traveling. That I'm also taking with me a big chadar. So this chadar gonna be help me to keep warm during the entire tour of 10 days. So here with all this stuff, I'm gonna end my vlog. I'm gonna tell you thank you so much for watching up my vlog. Now we'll see you directly after 10 to 15 days when I'll be keeping up my vlog ready of the Kashmir tour. Until we meet for the next time, thank you so much for watching up my vlog. And if you really love this video and if you really want to travel somewhere, do not forget to see this video again and again, so that you do not forget to take any of the things which you surely require to carry with yourself. Otherwise, after when you will travel and you will not carry a single thing, you're gonna be hating yourself. So make sure that you watch this video every time you travel and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much. Give it a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Bye.